AWS is a leading cloud platform offering over 200 services including computing, storage, and databases. It enables businesses to scale and innovate quickly by providing flexible, cost-effective solutions like EC2 for computing power and S3 for storage. AWS is used by millions globally for applications ranging from web hosting to AI and machine learning. Resources to learn AWS. AWS Free Tier. Explore many services for free. AWS Training and Certification. Official courses at all levels. AWS Documentation. Detailed guides and tutorials. A Cloud Guru. Courses and hands-on labs. YouTube. Channels like AWS and Udemy. Structured courses, e.g., AWS Certified Solutions Architect. Books. AWS Certified Solutions Architect Official Study Guide. Practice exams. Sites like WizLabs and Tutorials Dojo. These resources cater to various learning preferences, from beginners to advanced users.